Your company is sitting on a treasure trove of knowledge, PDFs, contracts, databases, but right now it's locked away, invisible to standard AI. What if you could hand AI the key? Welcome to the course on building your own corporate AI Copilot with Azure AI Foundry. We will show you how to build the bridge, the RAG transformation pipeline that connects your private data to the power of generative AI. Stop settling for generic answers that make things up. Watch now to transform your static files into an intelligent, accurate business asset that truly knows your business. Imagine hiring the world's most brilliant scholar. They have read every public library book in existence. That is your standard AI model. But here's the problem. If you ask them about Mr. Smith's loan application from yesterday, they freeze. Why? Because that information is locked in your private filing cabinet, and they don't have the key. Without it, they might simply guess or hallucinate a wrong answer just to be helpful. Enter Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. RAG changes the rules. It hands that scholar a key to your filing cabinet, turning a memory test into an open book exam. Now, utilizing Azure AI Foundry, the AI looks up your specific data before speaking. It transforms from a generic guesser into a grounded corporate expert, delivering accurate, trustworthy answers every time. To understand RAG, think of it as a 3-step workflow that mimics human decision-making. It starts with retrieval, acting like a hyper-fast librarian. When a user asks about a delayed loan, the system doesn't make up an answer. Instead, it scans your digital archive, your PDFs and wikis, to find the exact documents containing the facts. Next is augmentation, or the briefing. This is where the magic happens. The system secretly rewrites the prompt, combining the user's question with the found data. It effectively tells the AI, here is the relevant policy, answer using only this information. The result is a response that is accurate, specific, and grounded in your reality. Building an AI brain for your business isn't about just dumping files into a folder. You need structure. See, computers don't speak English. They speak math. If you search for automobile, a standard computer might miss a document that only says car because the letters don't match. To fix this, we use vector databases. Imagine a vast 3D galaxy. We turn every sentence in your data into coordinates, placing similar concepts like car and automobile right next to each other as neighboring stars. When you upload data to Azure, we chunk it up, turn it into these number maps, and store it in an index. Now, when a user asks a question, the system scans the galaxy for the closest stars, finding answers based on meaning, not just keywords. Building an AI-ready pipeline isn't magic. It is a logical, step-by-step process. It begins with the data source. Your raw material, PDFs, Word docs, and HTML files, sits in Azure Blob Storage. At this stage, they're just static files in a passive locker. The transformation happens in step 2, connection and indexing. We connect that storage to Azure AI Foundry and configure the brain. We use embedding models to convert text into numbers and enable hybrid search. This combines the precision of keywords with the understanding of vectors, giving you the best of both worlds. Finally, in management, we organize these assets. We turn a pile of documents into a live, queryable knowledge base that is finally ready to connect to your AI. If the data index is the library and the LLM is the scholar, the prompt flow is the handshake that introduces them. In Azure AI Foundry, this flow acts as a visual blueprint that orchestrates the entire conversation. It begins with the input, capturing the user's question. This triggers the index lookup, which grabs specific, relevant text chunks from your secure database. Next comes formatting, where the system combines your question with that retrieved data to create a new enriched prompt. This instruction is sent to the LLM, which generates an answer based only on your facts. The result? You move away from generic chatbots that guess and toward intelligent corporate copilots that truly know your business. To summarize our course on bringing your own data to AI Foundry, we began by solving the knowledge gap. Standard AI is frozen in time. RAG unlocks your private data, giving the AI an open book exam. We mastered the mechanics, retrieving, augmenting, and generating, and built the infrastructure using vectors to map meaning, not just keywords. We then constructed the Azure pipeline, transforming raw files into an active knowledge base. Finally, we orchestrated the complete flow, building an intelligent, grounded corporate copilot specifically for your business.